Shalom and hello, it's your girl Ada Okinwa coming to you here live in the living color with Tziontoday, the Set Apart Lifestyle channel. I just want to first start out by saying thank you so much for all my new subscribers. I do appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We need to take this message viral and get it to the world to let them understand and know that we, Biafrans, Igbos, individuals scattered to the four corners of the earth, Black people, we are the true people of Zion, and we are Zion today. This is our time. This is our day. So I just want to say thank you so much for all of my subscribers. I do thank you. Let us get into it. Pretty much today, this segment is going to be about Biafrans, Igbos, Black people understanding and knowing that we are great, and knowing that we as individuals hold a very awesome power within us, and that is the very power of the Creator. We indeed are His children. And just to give a forewarning to Biafrans right now, I seen a segment about these Europeans coming into Biafra land who are quote unquote Jewish. These people are not to be trusted in any way, shape, or form. They have had a hand in our demise. They have put us on slave ships. They are the one who financed the slave trade. They're the ones who are oppressing us now. They're the ones who are in charge of pretty much all of the stuff that's going on and that's befalled on the true children of the book of the promise. They are imposters. They are not Igbo. They are not Jewish. They are not Yisrael. They are not direct descendants of Jacob and should not be treated as fellow brothers because they are not. They are indeed imposters. So let us divvy in a little bit more into who these people are, and for us as individuals that are of Biafra to keep standing strong and fighting for freedom and calling it all out, letting the truth out, because this is the truth hour. This is our time, not anybody else's time, not anyone trying to take us off course, not anyone trying to just pretty much put us to the side and treat us less than anything. Let's go into what they did. Let's go to Psalms chapter 83, verse 3 through 4. Psalm chapter 83, verses 3 through 4. And it reads, "They take crafty counsel against your people and consult together against your hidden ones. They have said, 'Come, let us cut them off from being a nation, that the name of Yisrael may be no more in remembrance.'" So we are true Yisrael. We are the true people of the book. Igbos, Biafrans, we are indeed the descendants of these very people in this book. They are our bloodline descendants. We are the descendants of the prophets, okay? The prophets were our ancestors, okay? So, and these people know that are coming into the land, that are white, that, let's just, love and pray together. No, these people will be dealt with swiftly, and they are of Satan. Stay away from these people. They are not of us. They are not, they do not mean us any good. They are the reason why we've been going through a lot of the things that we've been going through. And the reason why they're coming into Nigeria, the reason why they're coming into Biafra land is because we are waking up. We are waking up to understand and know that we are the children of the book, that we are Zion. We are the true people of Yah, of Chineke. So, don't believe anything that these people are coming to you with. We are not Jewish. We are Igbo. Okay, we practice the ways of our fathers, not a religion. And that goes for Christianity as well. We don't practice Judaism. We're not to practice Christianity. This is our book. This very book that we hold is our history book. It is our guide. We need to treat it as such, and don't let anybody tell us anything about who we are, because we knew and know who we are. Before the imperialists and European colonists came into Africa, we already had the book. We already had the script, but they came in, took it, made it into something abominable, and put a white face on it in Jesus and call it good. But that is totally incorrect. We are to stay clear of these people and people like them, and the Most High is coming back. He is coming back for His people, and there's nothing that anybody can do about it. We will get Biafra. We will stand strong, and so we need to hold on to that. Let's go into Joel chapter 3, and we're going to go to verses 2 through 3. As soon as I can get there. Joel chapter 3, verses 2 through 3, okay? And it reads, I will gather all nations and will bring them down into the valley of Jehoshaphat, and I will execute judgment upon them there for my people and for my heritage Israel, whom they have scattered among the nations, and they have parted my land. See, these Europeans have come in and they've divided up the land and called it something that it never was, like Nigeria and all these other different countries. That is not what Africa was called. Africa wasn't even called Africa. They came in and they parted the land. The British, the Europeans, the French, the Germans, the Portuguese, all of these different countries came in and divvied up the land of the Most High, and he's not happy with that. They have parted my land, verse 3, and have cast lots for my people, and have given a boy for a harlot and sold a girl for wine, that they may drink. So they pretty much scattered us across the nations of the world, and they're still oppressing the people of Biafra, not giving them equal rights, not giving them equal opportunities, not giving them their sanity, their humanity, their wealth, and what they deserve, and they are being taken advantage of and downtrodden. And this should stop and will be stopping, because the Most High will be coming back to stop it, and we ourselves will be taking action to make sure that it is going to be stopped doing it, because we're rising up. Jacob is rising up. These are the last days. We are the true descendants of Jacob. That goes for Haitians, Jamaicans, Afro-Cubans, people in South America who are of African descent. You're Israel. People that are scattered to the four corners of the earth and the islands of the sea, the Caribbean. You are Israel, okay? And Yah will come back for us. And this particular verse is for individuals who are descendants of the individuals that came over here on the transatlantic slave trade, when these Jews and these European colonists took us captive and had us spread throughout the four corners of the earth. We're going to go to Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 68. And there is no other people on this planet who's gone into captivity like dogs, cattle, and have been burnt alive at the stake, hung on trees, beat beyond recognition. We have. We've endured it. And we have gone through hell with these nations and with these people, but we are to turn back to the Most High, and he's going to take care of all of this. Verse 68 on Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 68 in Deuteronomy. And Yahuwah will bring you into Egypt again with ships, by a way which I said unto you, you shall see it no more again, and you shall sell yourselves unto enemies for bondmen and for bondwomen, and no man shall buy you. So that's pretty much what we're in right now. I mean, we are in bondage under these imperialistic governments and satanic regimes, okay? Whether it be Nigeria, whether it be Britain, whether it be France, all of these different European evil, okay, institutions and countries have us captive right now. We're not free. We're not getting equal opportunities. We're not doing what we need to do. We're not doing what we what free people do. We're being oppressed. We're being crushed. Our families are being killed. Our husbands are being killed. Pregnant women are being killed in the streets. Okay, this is worldwide that this is happening to, and this is to distinguish, to show the world who true Israel is. But the Most High is coming back for us and will indeed rescue us out of this situation, and we will fight for our freedom, for Biafra. It's Biafra or else. We're going to go to Hosea chapter 4, verse 6. Hosea chapter 4, okay, verse 6. I need to get there. It says, the Most High, the reason why most of this is happening is because they've made us ignorant to the fact of who we are as a people. Okay, they have taken our book and claimed it as their own, and that's not what the Most High wants us to do. They've taken this book and made you read it backwards. Hebrews, you are the true chosen people. Don't read this book backwards. This is your royalty. This is your promise. You are the children of the promise for the coming kingdom and the kingdom that is going to be coming to this earth. Okay, we are the true chosen people, and they know that. They know that, and we're waking up to the truth to understand and know that. So we're at Hosea chapter 4, verses 6 through 7. It says, my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge, because you have rejected knowledge. I will also reject you, that you shall be no priest to me, seeing you have forgotten the law of your Elohim. I also will forget your children. As they were multiplied, so they sinned against me, I will change their glory into shame. So we are a shame people. We are a shame-filled people. We are destroyed. We don't know who we are. We're only going off of what these Europeans have told us in these churches. Stay out of these churches. Don't contribute to these churches. They are a part of the reason why we're in the situation that we're in. They are the ones who took us captive. They're the ones who took our resources, our land, our culture, our artifacts are all in the British Museum and different types of museums and things like that in Europe. Please research this, brothers and sisters. These individuals that are coming into Nigeria speaking peace, they do not mean peace at all. It is to their demise and to their satisfaction that they destroy you, and that is their goal. And we are to keep and stand strong with the Most High Yah. The Most High Yah, not Jesus Christ, Chineke, Yahuwah, and his son, Yahoshua. His name was never Jesus, okay? There is no letter J in the Hebrew alphabet. There is no letter J in the Greek alphabet. Look this stuff up. They have fooled us, but no more. We are waking up to the truth and knowledge of who we are, and we will not be taken advantage of, because Biafra will come. We will stand strong and we will win. And there's nothing that anyone can do about it, because the Most High is on our side. The earth is on our side. The universe is on our side. And we are going to be coming together. So what we need to do as Igbos and Biafrans is to continue to love one another, to be with one another and uplift one another, encourage one another, and stop being, having all of this animosity against each other. Okay? Because times are coming when we need to have unity amongst ourselves and to become one, on one accord, one purpose, one goal. And that is our freedom. And that is to be connected back into the Most High Yah, the creator of the planets of the universe. Okay? These people that are coming into the land, they're saying that they are Jewish and they're white and they're quote unquote coming to help us. They are not. They are the enemy. Let's go to Revelation 2, verse 9. This is what these people are. The scripture says specifically who these Jewish people are, okay? Revelation chapter 2, verse 9. And it reads, I know your tribulation. So Yah knows everything that we're going through. I know your tribulation and your poverty, but you are rich. And the blasphemy of them that say they are Yehudah or Igbo or Biafran, and they are not, but are of the synagogue of Satan. These people are satanic. These people are crooked to the core. They have robbed our resources. They have robbed our land. They have put us in bondage. They have put Christianity on our minds to not have us know the truth. And the Christian church is not going to come forth and tell us the truth either. We need to study to show ourselves approved of this stuff, because we're not taking it anymore. The days of ignorance, of us not knowing who we are and what power we have and who we belong to is over, because the Most High is coming back for us, and we will stand with him. And judgment will come to this world through us and through the Most High. Okay? It's scripture. This is all prophecy being fulfilled. Okay? Revelation 3, verse 9. Revelation 3, verse 9. Behold, I give of the synagogue of Satan, of them that say they are Yehudah or Igbos or Biafran, and they are not, but do lie. Behold, I will make them come and worship before your feet, and to know that I have loved you. The Most High has only loved us, Igbos. He's only loved us, Biafrans, out of all the people of the world. We are his chosen people. We are his tribe. We are his heritage. We are his portion. Okay, Job goes into really good detail about how the whole world has been given into the hands of the wicked one. We are not to be a part of this world. We are not to have anything to do with it, because the Most High is going to come back and restore order. Everything's out of order. The animals are out of order. Just everything in its essence is out of order. But we need to return. We need to turn back to Chineke, the ways of our ancestors and how they did things, Igbos. That is how we are to live. Not the way of the Christians, not the way of the Europeans, because they are teaching us the wrong thing and are getting us in trouble by the Most High. We don't need that. We need to go back to how we were doing things before these colonists came, which we still hold true to. But, he wants us to return back to him and to return back to his law, statutes, and commandments. Okay? The organic law, not killing each other, not stealing from one another, not committing adultery, okay, not stealing, not coveting somebody else's things. He wants us to love each other. That's all he's commanded of us, is to love each other and support one another on one accord. So, brothers and sisters, I hope that I've been of good help. I will be continuing to post some more videos on Biafran history, where we stand right now and conditions of our plight and things like that. And, for all those individuals who saying that, oh, the 12 tribes of Israel are the Mexicans and the Dominicans, and no, okay, that chart is wrong. All the 12 tribes of Israel are black, always have been, always will be. So that chart is wrong. There is no proof of that at all. Actually, on the west coast of Africa are where the sons of Jacob are. In Nigeria specifically, those 12 tribes can be located there. Do your research. Brothers and sisters of Biafra land, of Igbo land, and blacks scattered across the world, you are the true children of the book. Step into your greatness. Rid the shackles of European colonization from your minds and from your daily lives, and return back to the ancient paths. Return back to the ways of our fathers in worshiping Chineke, Yah, through his son Yahoshua. Yahoshua, not Jesus. Jesus is a fake, made-up deity put in place by the Roman Catholic Church in 325 CE. At the Council of Nicaea. Look this stuff up, brothers and sisters. It's all there for you. And I'm here to support you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Please subscribe, please like, and thank you so much for watching. Shalom.